Welcome to RV conversion number 6 video. I've been considering how to build the roof rack. I just did number 5. It was probably pretty confusing because I forgot to do a lot of things. I'm not a videographer, obviously. So here we are. I did some research on the internet and continued to that. And also, I tried to build my own brackets, but I was not pleased with what I could come up with for a reasonable price. So I found this new one here. I'm sure it's not new, but it's new to me, from this company right here. And they have a nice little bracket that is already made up for me. And they only run about $20 a piece, which is, considering the time it takes to make one and my lack of a machine shop here at my shop to build a van, seems to be pretty good. So I've also found some what they call 2020 T-SOT aluminum that's already anodized black, and the angle brackets to mount them with, and some splice joints to hook together. I think the length of these are about 78 inches. That's the maximum that you can ship through UPS. So when you put them both together, this happens to come out to be about 159 inches, which is, hey, the length of my van. So I'm going to mount these to the van right now, I hope, or I'm going to at least start doing it today. Here we go. Just to show you the simplicity of this roof mounting bracket the company has made, we've got this solid piece of aluminum. If you cut a T-slot in and then anodize the aluminum, it just slides over the roof bracket that's from the manufacturer. Then you have this U-shaped with a couple holes drilled in it. They've also given you a couple of rubber channels there to protect the finish on the van, which you can see my van really doesn't need it that bad. Then a couple of stainless steel screws that just screw in there, and when you tighten the two down, it pulls up this block of aluminum and presses down the U-shape on the roof, and you've got a nice solid mount. I now have the roof rails installed. This is what it looks like. It was an easy operation to install this thing, just like an erector set, and even the length of the 80-20 came out to the correct length, or I didn't even have to cut them. So it was fairly simple, just took some time. Let's go down below and see what it looks like from the ground. Here is a view of the roof rails mounted onto the van. It was kind of expensive, but I needed the flexibility to rearrange the solar panel array or add future features such as a rooftop storage box or an awning if I want to. In addition, even with the way the solar panels were mounted previously, I was concerned if there was a need to do any service, it would have made it quite difficult. So this is what I thought was a necessary spending to get the job done. So now we're going to move on to mounting the solar panels back on top of the van. That's the next video.